four-wheel drive right here, baby. How's it, guys? Good afternoon. It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 2003 Toyota Sequoia four-wheel drive. My friend said that there's a noise on the passenger side, either in the front or rear. Some freaking big ass tires. Shit. Alright, let's do this. There's a lot of rotors. Front pads are thick still. Looks like 10mm. Now the rear. There's the backing plate of the brake pad. Where is the brake pad? Brake pad. Oh, brake pad's right there. Yep, it's the rear. Gotta change them. Let's let off on the e-brake. There we go, good. I don't know if we have to take out any fluid. Alright, 17mm. Ooh. How do we use this? Ooh, that's hard. Oh, what the heck? There you go. Oh shit. Now that's fucked up. Look at that. Shoot. Deep socket. Oh man. Oh, right there. Look at that. Oh. Done. Metal to metal. Oh. Clean that up. Adjust it. Still looks good. Adjustment here, down there, right over here, right here. A little bit more. So it's the other way. This go up. Take this out. I'm gonna replace it. Filled it up. Size 14. I'm gonna hold this. Ooh. Oh yes, there you go. Ooh. There you go. Let's put this. Tie it up. do that again. Shit. How deep is it? Ooh, sharp right there. Alright, next. Gotta watch out. Next. Push. Oh, dude, that's a lot of blood. Pads. It goes like that. Right here. Ooh. Bring this in first. There. Put this one. There you go. There, I got it in. Good. Put it like this. Good. Good. Got it. Alright, let's put it on. 77. Okay, good. Squeeze this together. This one on 65. There you go. Put some silicone paste. Special service tour, your SST. Okay. Going on. Pump the pedal. Fluid is good. Went down. Spit it up. We'll do that. Oh, I need to pee. 5 more pumps. Gotta tighten that up. Good. Alright, let's go feel the pedal. Yeah, the pedal's good. Now, I need to put back this side and then do the other side. This side, let's submit that without changing. Make sure everything's tight. Looks good. You saw it? Sure, yeah. Look at that, dude. Holy shit, it grinded it down.
That is crazy.
Oh, put new brake fluid because it went all the way down.
Oh shit.
Just keep on pushing it there. Stiff?
That's pretty hard.
Okay, good. I'm gonna put everything back now. And then just need to test drive it.
The whole time I was driving, I couldn't tell something was wrong until I heard the grinding.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it's because the wheels are loud when it's rolling, that's why I can't hear
Yeah,
anything.
that could be too, man.
Because right when I felt that grind, I was like, what the hell? It came out of nowhere, bro.
Oh shit. How's it, guys? Happy Father's Day to all the dads, tatays, granddads, lolos, stepdads, foster dads, those who played the role of dad, dads in heaven, and fur dads too. Dads are priceless.